Hello everyone, in this video where I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. Introduction. Bluehost, a powerhouse in the web hosting industry, continues to shine with its exceptional services and enticing special offers. In this article, we take a deep dive into Bluehost hosting, uncovering its features, benefits, and the exclusive deal it brings forth in 2024. Understanding Bluehost. Bluehost stands as a premier web hosting provider, renowned for its reliability, performance, and user-friendly interface. With a commitment to empowering individuals and businesses, Bluehost offers a comprehensive range of hosting solutions tailored to diverse needs. 2. Benefits of Bluehost hosting. 30-day money-back guarantee. Bluehost offers a risk-free experience with its 30-day money-back guarantee. Users can explore Bluehost's features and functionalities and, if unsatisfied, receive a full refund within the initial month. One-click WordPress installation. Simplifying website creation, Bluehost offers seamless one-click WordPress installation. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, launching your WordPress site is effortless with Bluehost's intuitive setup. 24/7 customer support. Bluehost prides itself on its round-the-clock customer support, ensuring assistance is available whenever needed. With a dedicated team of experts, Bluehost resolves queries and technical issues promptly, enhancing the user experience. SSL certificate for enhanced security. Security is paramount, and Bluehost enhances website protection with a complimentary SSL certificate. The SSL encryption safeguards data transmission, instilling trust and confidence among visitors. Free domain registration. Bluehost sweetens the deal with a free one-year domain registration with its hosting packages. Users can claim their unique online identity without additional costs, enhancing branding and accessibility. 3. Bluehost hosting coupon code up to 65% off plus free domain. Special deal in 2024. In 2024, Bluehost unveils an exclusive offer. Enjoy up to a 65% discount on hosting plans, making premium hosting services affordable for all. Avail yourself of a free domain registration, further enhancing the value proposition of Bluehost hosting. Conclusion. Bluehost remains a beacon of excellence in the hosting landscape, offering unparalleled services and value to its users. With its robust features, dedicated support, and exclusive deal in 2024, Bluehost continues to redefine the hosting experience. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or enterprise, Bluehost stands ready to fuel your digital journey towards success. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you. Thank you.